vlog ain't even start good and proper. And we already finding things. Look at that. Trinitatis right next to the fire. So here, the other trip is still at the best room with table and fire, you know, sweet. And we're going to see to explore the forest, straight out into the bush. Yeah, let's start again. Observing tree roots. Yep. Just saw this tree frog. Don't know exactly what it is. Very interesting. So no, we was kind of pissed off here because as we coming up the river, camera on all the time and the water looking kind of disturbed. But as soon as the camera cut off, a otter or water dog jump out of the water and hightail through the forest. So we hoping that our next one there, because sometimes there's travel in pairs. Yeah, that frustrate we boy. This is a silk cotton tree, massive one. Let me see the fuzzy stuff. Yeah, this is the fuzzy stuff of the silk cotton tree, similar to a buffalo or buffalo tree. These have big seeds in it. One of the biggest trees you'll find in the forest. All kind of stories about the silk cotton tree. It has supria living in the branches. It have what else? Larger bless living by the root. Mamadillo all over, one of our homes, all kind of things. I know this as a tree where you can find real plenty of animal homes. Animals make this tree their home. Look at it. And walk around the tree. See, start over there. Still, excuse me. Okay. Still walking. 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 Oh, snake skin. I just see a snake skin on the ground and a back to the front here. But now I see the snake skin. Which is a good sign for me. Ooh, whoosh. Look at this. That's interesting. This is a nice tree to be by. Cool.
First, he climbed and behind the devil. The devil going last room, he locked the door behind him and sealed the devil inside one of the tree.
Wow.
The other story is you went from Tobago with the witch, Gangang Sarah of Golden Way. She had come across slavery herself from Africa. Come across Tobago and slave master plantation owner never make she work. Used to keep she around because she used to practice voodoo witchcraft. She was a witch and he had believed in she powers. So he used to keep she around for his own benefit. And then I don't remember what exactly happened. I think she husband had died or something. And she decided she going back Africa. She was going to fly back to Africa. Because as a witch she believed she could have fly with she powers. So she climbed to the top of the silk of the tree and she jumped off the fly. She fall on the ground and she dead. And they say she fall on the ground and dead because when she time as a slave in Tobago, she eats salt. And as a witch, she's not supposed to eat salt. So she lost her powers of flight. So she fall and she dead.
This tree has so much stories.
Well, the one in Tobago, the tree actually here and she grave actually right there.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, look how white tadpole with them. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. An albino. Is when he come up. First white one to them. The same kind, but this one white. I presume it's albino or leucistic. Yeah, or some other kind of mutation. But this is cool.
He's the leader of the pack.
Seeing a mat. Let me see if I could zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in on it. I'll try to get closer. Right. You seeing it? A juvenile mat. Sally Painter. Gold and tingle. Where you going? Oh, you jump down. Okay. This is amazing. All you don't know, this is not spit or soap. This is a kind of defense mechanism from this bug. I believe it's a type of bug known as spittle bug. A nymph. Yeah. This, I believe one of the other names is frog hopper. And if that one is in there, it does that, makes that foamy stuff so things would leave it alone. And it works.
He doesn't put the wildlife master all up in the business.
But I should have more somewhere in there. Looks like spit and feels like spit. Yeah. We now get back. We finished the trip there. We now get back to camp. Hey, everybody exhausted, didn't see much. But it was alright. It was good. I ain't nobody else. I know they enjoyed themselves that plenty. It reached back at base camp. We back at civilization. This is our civilization. Yeah. So, go and see the pack up. And yeah. We may see things before we leave though. Actually, after that, we didn't see anything. We went to sleep in them lovely hammocks. Then we got up, pack up, head home, and went to sleep again. So we didn't really see much afterwards. And as you all know, I'm the Wildlife Master. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And until next time, peace out.